First, place the upper rail into the slot already opened on the door. Then fix with ST4 screws. Then put a buffer on one end of the door. Ensure that the direction of the buffer is correct. The buffer must be in the open state before being put in. After the buffer is in place, install the side wheel. The other end of the track is installed in the same way. After the upper track is installed, install the lower track. Before installation, use a level to determine the horizontal and vertical door openings. After the main support is positioned according to the selected method, use a pencil to signal the screw position. Expansion screws need to be placed in each screw hole. Tighten the 2 screws above the support first. Use a level to check the support level and tighten other screws. After installing the support, remove the safety buckle above the support. Same goes for lower positioning wheel installation. First position the opening hole, and then put in the expansion screw, fixing to determine the level. After installing the lower positioning wheel, adjust the main support to the highest position. Then, align the door with the support and slowly snap it in. Buckle the door in, and then align the lower positioning wheel. Be careful not to press down on the lower positioning wheel. After installation, use hex screws to adjust the upper and lower positions of the door. After the adjustment, tighten the safety buckle screws. Attention! There should be a gap of at least 2 mm between the safety buckle pulley and the track. At this point, the ghost door is installed.